Hi all, it's Rich again. So I got all my digging done with the backhoe, so I brought it in to do some maintenance. I got some things to work on. I have oil leaks, which I'll be fixing. I got some they're called quad rings for the backhoe control. I'm going to be repacking those. I'm going to probably repack a couple cylinders. I have a this stabilizer cylinder is leaking, so I might repack that one. It also doesn't stay up in place, so I'm gonna just, hydraulic oil is expensive enough that I don't want to waste it, so I'm gonna repack that. And then I got my steer cylinder I'm gonna be repacking, even though it's not leaking that bad, but I might as well get it fixed, or fix it myself. So one thing, I've had this problem since I've had the thing, and I've had this for about 5 years, is as soon as the thing gets up to temperature, so running for maybe half hour or so, the transmission starts to leak, the shuttle transmission. So what I'm going to do today is I suspect that it could be the oil cooler, which is this is one of the lines right here that goes up to the radiator. So, and then there's another one on the other side. So I'm gonna disconnect the one on the other side, and then blow it out, because I have a feeling that the oil cooler is plugged. Now, I've never done this before, but I think that actually has hydraulic oil in it. So we'll see how that is. I'm gonna drain the system. I'm gonna take some compressed air and blow it through the system, see if it unplugs it, or if I can verify that it's not plugged. Because I don't want to replace this seal in this housing here, because I don't want to have to take out both transmissions to do that. So we're going to do the easy stuff first, and we'll check the oil cooler. Okay, and we're back. So I pulled off both lines, both cooler lines. So I have this one here. So what happened is, so I pulled off the line, a little bit of oil came out. The other side I pulled, no oil came out. Then I took my air gun and blew air into there, and nothing was coming out until I built up quite a bit of pressure. And then all of a sudden it all kind of blew out and went all over the floor. So I think it was obvious that the cooler was plugged up, and that's integral to the radiator itself. So hopefully that was the only problem with it. I did pull the screen out, which is right here. I pulled that out last fall and cleaned that up. That was kind of plugged, but that didn't fix the problem. So hopefully this fixes the problem. I'm gonna put some fresh oil in there. A little bit of dirt in there too. So hopefully that was the problem. And I'll show you the other side. The other side's the same basic fitting. So all I did was pull the lines off and blow air through it until finally I got it to break loose. I can't see it, but it's in here. So there's oil coming out of that side now. Another thing I noticed with this is that the converter temperature gauge wasn't working in the cab, and I checked all the wiring and that was fine. So I think that might have been, see, I had no oil flowing through that, so that's probably why the temperature gauge wasn't working. So hopefully that fixes that too. Maybe we fix two things at the same time. But I'll keep you up to date as soon as I run this thing. We'll see if I can fix all the problems or not. So hopefully I have a transmission that works and doesn't leak, because as soon as the thing gets hot, it starts leaking oil, and then the thing stops shifting. The transmission's clearly slipping, which I don't want to have to replace. I don't want to have to rebuild this transmission just because I'm stupid. So yeah, hopefully this fixes the problem. I'll probably post a video later with an update once I have everything back up and running. I got a lot of maintenance to do on this thing, so it's going to be in here probably for a month or two. I have parts on order, and hopefully I'll have a fully functioning backhoe again. It works. Still, I did what I had to do, but now's not the fun part. I got to fix it. Okay, that's it for now, guys. Like, comment, subscribe if you're interested in more of these videos. I try to make them educational. I think I found a smoking gun on this thing. Apparently it used to be a problem on the old Dodge trucks too, so I guess it doesn't only apply to tractors that are older than me. Okay, that's it for now.